What's up? Got a good one for you today. I got 9 bobcats to do. Yeah, 9 of them. So we're gonna get this going. Stay with me, y'all. Appreciate you being here. Let's have some fun. All right, here's the dealio. The dealio. I got these bobcats, but they're frozen, so gotta thaw them out. So let's thaw them out. What do? Well, I put them in a bucket. Yeah. See that cord right there? Little aquarium heater. Little pro tip for you. Pro tip. Look at them beauties. That's a whole lot of kitty cat, know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna get these things thawed out. Then we'll get to skinning. Yee! Alright, everybody. It's the next day. Got them thawed out all night long. I'm going to get these things pulled out of the bucket. Get them skinned. Enjoy. Alright, you get the idea. I'm gonna fast forward this so you don't have to watch me skin all 9 of them. But there they are. Speed it up. I'll get back with you when I get them in the boil. Alright, boy, I tell you what. If there was smell-o-vision on YouTube, oh, you guys would be vomiting all over the place. These things are gnarly. Got them in there. Gotta fire up the pot, get them boiling. Stay with me. Alrighty, check it out. They've been boiling for, man, it's sunny out. Can't see. They've been boiling for about 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna get them pulled out one by one and start giving them a squirt job. Get all that meat out there. So I'm gonna speed this up. We're gonna get the squirt. Crazy. What's up? All right, we got them all cleaned up. Check these things out. 9 bobcats, 1 coyote. I'm gonna get these things in the whitening batch now, so we can get them whitened and get them finished up. And yeah, let's keep having fun. Got them in the pot. Let's fire it up. We're gonna let them simmer, bring it to a boil, and then shut the heat off. You don't want to overboil when you're whitening. A lot of people ask me, what do I use in my whitening stuff? One second, let me turn the music on. Alright, what do I use? This is what I use. It's called Baquasil. It's a pool shock oxidizer. It has 27% peroxide. So I mixed this, 1 gallon of this, whoops, 1 gallon of this for 3 gallons of water, and you'll get bright white skulls every time. So let me bring you over here for a second. Just want to chat with you for a minute while we wait for those things to whiten. Call to action. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate everything you do and all the comments and nice words. I really enjoy my work here and what I do. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Leave a comment. I get to all of them. I appreciate you. Let's get back to our project. Woo-wee. Gotta get that beard straight. Check these out. Nine bobcats. One. Whoa. One coyote. Fun little project. I'll get some close-ups for you in a little bit. Well, here we are, all finished up. Look at these beauties. Pretty rad. Once again, I appreciate every one of you for sticking around to the end. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Like the video for more content like this. I appreciate you all, and life's short. Do good things. See ya.